Spring is in the air, so it's time to get your hands into the garden. Hi, I'm Kerri from Ashcombe, and today we're going to plant a pansy strawberry jar. Pansies are one of the first plants you can get in the garden in March and April, and there's lots of different ways you can plant them. Of course, they can go in pots and in the ground, but you might want to consider a strawberry jar. Now, it's called a strawberry jar because you would typically plant strawberries in each hole, and as it grows, the strawberries would hang down over the sides. But there's a lot of other plants that you can plant in these, including pansies, impatiens, begonias, or even portulaca for the summer. When you're planting your strawberry jar, you might be inclined to fill it with soil first, but you actually only want to fill it to the very first level of holes. This way, you can work from the inside of the container to help get the plant through the hole properly. Another trick is to use a PVC pipe that has holes drilled down through the side. You put this in the center of the strawberry jar. Then when you water through the top of the pipe, and it waters the plants from the roots out. This is especially helpful when it's hot and the container is pot bound and it's hard to water these holes along the side. Then you want to continue to fill your container up into the next level of holes. And then continue to put your pansies around the sides. You're going to fill your soil all the way to the top and then put a few more plants around the pipe here, and that will cover that up nicely, and once it fills in, you won't see it at all. I would water this in from the top where the plants are now, and I would go around these holes a little bit just to settle the plants in. Then it likes to have lots of sun outside, at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun. You do want to watch the temperatures, and if they're calling for something 25 degrees or below, you may want to move it in for the evening. Pansies do like to be deadheaded throughout the season to promote blooming, and I would fertilize at least once a week, spring and summer. So pansies typically like cooler weather, so they should last you through May and into the beginning of June. Then I would replace this container with something that doesn't mind the heat, like begonias or portulaca. For more gardening tips, check out the rest of our videos on YouTube.